Today I want to talk about the work you need to do before you create your first Google Ads campaign. We need to think about which campaign type we're building. I recommend that you start with search, then move to display, and then move to performance max campaigns. This is for local business, small businesses, or lead generation campaigns. If you're doing big brand stuff, it's going to be a different formula. The reason for this is that search has the most control and transparency. Then, once we've trained Google with conversion data, which I talk about in other videos, then we can expand to display ads. And then your ad will be all over the place, but Google will understand what you're trying to do with it. Performance Max takes that to a whole new level based on your account-wide conversion data. So when you set up a Google search campaign, the steps they take you through after putting in your payment information are to pick your keywords, and they give you lots and lots of suggestions, like endless number of keyword suggestions. Then you have to write an ad, which involves choosing a landing page, and then you launch your ads. But a lot of people get hung up on this. This is not the best way to do it. The ideal campaign structure has many ad groups, and each ad group contains keywords that represent only one search intent, and each ad group has ads written specifically for that search intent. So let me give you an illustration here. Using the steps in Google's search campaign setup process, you'll end up with one ad group and all of your keywords in that ad group. Then you'll have to write an ad that will answer all of those keywords, all of those queries. And your ad is either going to be really good for one of the search intents and a bad answer for the others, or just a vague general answer for all of them, which means that it's not a good answer for any one of the keywords in a really specific sense. And then when you pick your landing page, you're going to look at all your keywords, and it's the same problem. Either your landing page is just what someone was looking for some of the search intents, but the wrong answer for others, or it's going to be just a general thing like your homepage or something, and you'll expect that people will just go find what they're looking for once they get there, except that that's not how people use the internet. What you want instead are a bunch of different ad groups, each representing one search intent. So for this example, we have an ad group about fruit that has the keywords that people are looking for fruit. The ad is written specifically for them, and then they go on to a landing page about exactly what they were looking for, in this case fruit. So maybe that's a category page on your website. In any case, it's specific to that. It's not an ad and a landing page about fruit and blueberries and apples and bananas. Then we'll have a blueberry ad group that has all of the keywords that represent people looking for blueberries, and the ad will say so, and the landing page will be the blueberry page, and so on with the apples and the bananas. We have a banana ad group that has banana keywords, a banana ad, and takes you to the banana landing page. So before you create your first Google ad campaign, you need to choose or design your landing page, one for each search intent, and build a great offer. I'll refer you to Alex Hormozi's offer creation, $100 million offers is his book. And he's got free resources on acquisition.com as well about how to make a great offer. Once you have that, we're working backwards here, right? This is the opposite of Google's process where we pick a bunch of keywords, then try to write an ad and then point them to a landing page. We're going to reverse engineer that. We're going to create our landing page, the ideal destination for our customers. You're going to create exactly the landing page that your ideal customer wants to find because they have the problem that you solve. Then you pick the keywords, only the best ones that represent the search intent that are specific to your offer. This is not about getting more traffic. We want to get more customers. So we want to pick our keywords in a way that excludes the tire kickers and the people doing research and the people looking for jobs and journalists and other marketers and everything you can think of that isn't someone who's trying to solve the problem that you solve with your offer. Then you'll sort your keywords into ad groups. And remember, that's one search intent per ad group. So you might end up with only one keyword in an ad group, and that's okay. You might end up with 20 different ad groups. If you have 20 different offers or 20 different ways that people search for your offer, then that's totally fine. Once you have your keywords sorted, then you can write a specific ad for each ad group that does this. A blueberry ad, an apple ad, a banana ad. We're getting very specific here. Remember, when people search on Google, they're looking for something specific, and Google wants to give them the best answer in the world for their search. People won't read or browse or hunt through your website for what they want. The Google search results page is just one back-click away. If your landing page doesn't deliver what your ad said it would, then it just feels like Google is broken and they are back on the search results page clicking the next one. All right, I hope that helps. I will cover how to actually create a Google Ads campaign in future videos. Just make sure this is the work that you've done before then. Thanks for watching. Alright, I'm making an effort to produce more videos so it can help more people with their Google Ads. Got myself a nice new microphone and some lighting. Maybe the production quality will be a little higher than usual. Now,